This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the pen has power and is physically connected. First, swap the AA battery if pressure or palm rejection feels weak. A fresh cell restores responsiveness. Once done, remove the magnetic cap, inspect the tip for wear, and align the pen with the Surface Pro 4-side storage groove. Press gently until it clicks so the magnet and storage switch engage. This both charges the pen and keeps it paired. Make sure the tip is straight to avoid calibration drift. Next, you'll pair and fine-tune how the pen behaves. Go to Bluetooth settings, select Surface Pen, and confirm pairing. Pairing maintains button functions and pressure data. If pairing fails, update or reinstall Surface and pen drivers in Device Manager, because drivers handle tilt and pressure translation. Once connected, open Windows Ink Workspace or Pen Settings to adjust pressure sensitivity and enable handwriting features. Calibrate the cursor by drawing simple strokes, so the system maps Finally, adopt workflows and no troubleshooting steps. You'll use the top button for one-note quick capture and the side button as an eraser or custom shortcut. Mapping these in settings saves time. Replace worn tips with spares when strokes feel scratchy to maintain accuracy. If you encounter lag or dropped strokes, first replace the battery, then repair the pen. Make sure Windows and Surface firmware are up to date. If problems persist, try the pen on another surface to isolate hardware from software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.